Did you want to take something? Are you taking a picture? Yeah. We are in Europe. We are in Europe. We're not in Africa now. Johannesburg, 12 o'clock. It's snowing badly.
So slippery.